Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch ESPN Plus on your YouTube TV. So on YouTube TV, YouTube TV does not offer any subscription for ESPN Plus. ESPN Plus is a separate platform, is a separate service for their channel, for their services that they offer. So it is not available on your YouTube TV. You can also check it by going on the top right corner and go to settings. So in your settings, as you can see, if you scroll down, that YouTube TV does offer HBO Max, and it does offer NBA League Pass. It does also offer Paramount Plus as well with Showtime. It offers Stars, and it does offer a lot of other services like Fox as well. But the YouTube TV currently does not offer ESPN or ESPN Plus. It does have the ESPN channel in it, but the ESPN Plus separate streaming service is not available with the YouTube TV service. So I hope this answered your question and this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.